everyone, take multiple strips of paper in two colors and then staple it all together to make a boat-like shape with a handle. Next, take a blue sheet of paper and then make multiple cuts in it as shown. Then, fold inside the alternate cuts. Make multiple of these. Join them to make a flower. For our next craft, take an orange or yellow sheet of paper, make multiple cuts or slits in it, and then roll it around a green stem. Then take a big sheet of paper and once more make multiple lines and cut it as such. Tape the two sides together and roll it around. Next, take a red sheet of paper and then fold it over 2 times. Fold over the upper edge as well and then fold it over into half. Add some tape and stick it as such. Make multiple of these. Stick them all together as such. Take a big sheet of paper and then fold it over multiple times. Then cut it out into a heart-like shape. Take a green sheet of paper and then cut it out into the shape of a leaf. Take another green sheet of paper to make the stems. Take a red sheet of paper and then fold it over 2 times and then make it into a triangular shape and then cut it out into the shape of a petal. Cut out one of the sides and then glue it together. Then add it to a stem and make multiple layers of it. Take a pink sheet of paper and then fold it over multiple times in order to make a triangular-like shape. Cut the bottom edge into spikes. Once you are done, open it up and fold it as such. Then take some green paper and then make a stem out of it. Add multiple layers as well as some leaves. Take a white sheet of paper, fold it over 2 or 3 times. Then using a coin, make multiple circles or semicircles as such. Add these figures. Once you are done, cut them out. Open them up and then color them in as you please. This is what it should look like. Next, take a green sheet of paper and then draw multiple lines on it longitudinally and then cut it up as such. Then take a big sheet of paper and then fold it and cut it up. Stick them all together. For our next craft, take a blue sheet of paper and then fold it over into half and then fold over one of the sides. Cut out a head, then fold it up the sides enough to make multiple edges. This should result in multiple narrow folds. Take a white sheet of paper, fold it into half, make multiple lines on it and cut it as such. Then intertwine pink sheets of paper, pink strips of paper into this. Cut off the excess. Fold it over and add handles to it. Next, take a big sheet of paper, fold it over multiple times so that it forms very narrow strips. Then join them all together. Make a cylindrical shape out of some lavender colored sheet and then join the fan to it. Add some thread to one of the sides and push it out as such. Next, take a piece of paper and then fold it into half to make a triangle. Then make multiple lines on it and then cut it as such. Open it up and start to fold in each of these strips of paper. When you reach the bottom, fold it upwards and then add a head as well as some eyes. Next, take an orange sheet of paper and then make it into a conical shape. Take a green sheet of paper and then make multiple strips on it. Once you are done, roll it up using a circular object and then stick it onto the orange portion. Next, take a green sheet of paper and then cut out the center into a triangular shape. Then add eyes on the top as well as a nose. Then take a red sheet of paper and then put it around. Stick it inside as such. Next, take a red sheet of paper and then add some tape on one of the sides and line it with green and beige. Add black dots and then tie it up in the shape of a fan. Stick it all together. Thank you for watching.